Vlog namin to.
Hi guys, break time. It's already 10:07 p.m.
Hello guys.
Inabot ng kami kang bread.
Local bread and Nutella. So introduce yourselves.
Hi, I'm Kurt.
Hi, I'm Lish Ruby.
Hi, I'm Pao. And we are
Papa.
So we got the Yakult and time check is already 12:01 p.m.
Vlog, may jowa na si Jenny. Update kay Jenny. May jowa na.
Bye!
Naniligaw na kay Jenny. Ayan, nasa harap
Oh
namin.
my gosh.
Say hi guys! Hambala kung ano date today?
Today is January 21.
2024? Ay, 2025. 8:10 a.m. Say hi! Hi guys! Time check. It's already 9:30 and nandiyan kami sa room ni Sister Angie. Say hi, Jess! Hello guys! So, pupunta kami ngayon kay Gingging. Kuha kami ng Yakult ni Sister Angie. Kasi, you know, favorite ni Sister Angie, Yakult. Tsaka may mogo. Kung alam niyo yung mogo guys, it's kind of like nice. And crackers. Okay, mas snacks ka na si Sister Angie. And si Angel muna yung nagbantay doon. And I can show you. Kasi it's privacy. So, dito kami guys. And this is the Mensa Domini Institutional Catechetical Something. Kaya mura nga sa ano nandun sa may Mensa Domini. Diyan sa may ano tawag dito. Diyan na no? Uy! Diyan, malibat ng gulo mas iba. Pati nabagsakan ka Kalo Black. Alam mo siya nabagsakan si Jenny Kalo Black. So, sasabihin lang namin kay Sister Angie. Ay, Sister Ruby. Ang Yakult na aming ibibigay kasi tomorrow na kano ito bro. So this is the canteen. So we got the Yakult and di ba dyan, what did you bought? What did you bought? What did you buy? So here's the Yakult of Sister Angie. Sister Angie, here comes with you. Hey guys, maibo kami rin. Diba? Say hi ka na dyan. So, paano nag-start ang journey mo?
Hindi siya may ano, siya lang isa
host.
Hi mga guys, so welcome to our podcast entitled The Nursing Ones.
Nursing Ones? Ano?
Who's? Swiss
Nice
course. Nurse, student
Nice
nurse.
talk.
Nurse talk, even though you're not nurses yet. Ano ba? Vlog naman.
Kami bila dito.
So, introduce yourself muna.
Hi, I'm Kurt.
Hi, I'm Nurse Roby.
Hi, I'm Pao.
And we are...
Nurse talk.
Nurse talk.
So, good morning. Our guest speakers.
Hi guys, break time.
Diba,
It's
asa ba siya?
already 10:07 p.m.
Hello, guys.
Pinabot ng kami kang bread.
Ano, local bread and Nutella. Grabe, Sheila. English na
Sa Facebook. Joke lang. Sa YouTube.
Marilo, simmer ako next month.
Ang unang mga saingat gagipit kita.
Ako
Sa
naman.
puro soup.
Bimbit din ako ba?
Content creation ka kapit.
Ilang taon ka ba?
Ano?
Ikaw.
Oh, wala na.
Guys, support niyo ako guys ha. Marilo, sa kailangan ba yan?
TikTok na lang din.
Hindi naman, black toast ka na. Okay.
Last yata nga lang
But it's
yung
the
ano, Humpty.
Ba't kita yung
Kay Sir Sil. Ay, yun kay Sir Silva. Chocolate.
Oo, ay kamay. Kapagis.
Gusto ko nga vlog ang ano, nature.
Robin.
Tanan nga sayang tunan ko.
Kailangan mo na gawin eh. Budget.
Tunaon ko yung size sa drama.
Hi, girl. Hi, ma'am.
Hi! Siguro namin kayo. Mapamount sa repeat man kami next.
Next.
Sa Balderrama may dyan. Trilogy.
Sa lutong rin ay kang Balderrama.
Hi guys, time check. It's already 12:01 p.m. Nag-play. Yes. And we're gonna have lunch na. And kumain na rin si Sister Angie. And she is already on her bed. So, we're gonna have lunch as well. Hi guys, we're gonna have lunch. Wait, gago na sa vlog guys. I guess joking. Pero ba? Hi guys, time check is already 2:43 and we just had our post test and Jenny got 14 as well and we already have our clearance. And we're just gonna wait mag-end ang shift for 4 and then we're gonna go home na. And around 3 p.m. we're gonna change diaper ni Sister Angie and we're gonna say goodbye na. So this is our condition. We just got waiting lang mag-end ang shift. Time check is already 3. We're gonna check our BS. Hello. Gonna check the BS of the sisters and we're BS of the sisters and we're gonna say goodbye. So guys, we're gonna go home. Thank you, Mensa Domini. Bye guys!
Vlog, may jowa na si Jenny. Update kay Jenny. May jowa na.
Bye!
Naniligaw na kay Jenny. Ayan, nasa harap namin.
Oh my gosh.